In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to keep the display on for certain apps or even an idle on your Android devices. Let's begin. There is a feature in Android settings that you can use to increase the sleep time, so your phone will take longer before it decides to turn off the screen and auto-lock. Open Settings and go to Sleep under Lock Screen and Password. That's where you decide how long Android should wait before turning off the screen and locking your smartphone. While this works, there is a drawback. It will only wait for the time that you have specified, which can be too little or too much. So to tackle that, we will use a third-party app known as Wakey. Head over to the Play Store and search for Wakey. Download and install the app. A download link is provided in the description box below for easy access. The free version of the app is limited, ad-supported, and will let you set a timer to keep the screen on. It works just like system settings. You will need to upgrade for 99 cents to remove ads, wake up the phone using Face Wake, and whitelist apps. The Face Wake feature will keep the screen on as long as the camera can detect your face. Hopefully, this video will help you to keep the screen on for certain apps in Android. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, like and share this video if it helped. Also, dive into our other videos, lined up and curated for you.